we're going to make a really beautiful vegan soup. This is one of my favorite soups of all time. In this pot we have some olive oil, 1 or 2 tablespoons, like 30 mils, something like that. So that's getting warm. Let's get this rolling. So I have 2 celery stalks and 1 small onion chopped up. I'll get that started. And what I'm going to do next, I'm going to add a turmeric blend. So I like adding turmeric blend to this soup. It adds so many beautiful health benefits. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon, 15 mils to this. Yeah. And a little bit of salt and pepper. Starting to sizzle. And a person could use a vegetable stock in this soup, but I just have water for today. This is going to be a really easy soup. Just a lot of beautiful vegetables and water, and the turmeric blend will make this a very nutritious soup. I'm going to add a sweet potato. This is about a cup, 250 mils of chopped sweet potato. Add that in there. This is maybe a half a head, about a cup of cauliflower. I didn't chop it, but that's okay. It's going to disintegrate into a really beautiful soup. So this is going to cook for a little bit. I want the vegetables to get a little bit soft. So once the vegetables are soft, I am going to add 1 recipe of my ginger coconut sauce. You can find that recipe on here. This was in my freezer, so it's still a little bit frozen. So that's okay. It's just easy to do once you have a full pantry. There, it's kind of like a big lump of an ice cube, but that's okay. So it's just going to melt in and become really gorgeous. Okay, so that's going. And already the soup is starting to smell really gorgeous. The garlic in the ginger coconut sauce is really coming through, as well as the turmeric blend. So now I'm going to add just plain water. And then we're going to let this simmer until all the vegetables break down and are soft. Okay, we're just going to let that cook a little bit. I'm going to pop the lid on, and once the vegetables are really nice and soft, we're going to add our corn at the end. Okay, this has been cooking for 5-7 minutes, something like that. And now the veggies are soft and the cauliflower is going to break down a little bit. So what we're going to do now is add some corn. So this is just frozen, organic frozen kernel corn. So it's easy peasy. So I'm going to just add this in. And then there you have it. We're going to test for seasonings just to see if we need any more salt and pepper. Let's see. Very good. I'm going to add a little bit more salt. Stir it in. And then we're going to have a bowl of soup. Okay, check it out. I love the color of the sweet potatoes. And then the cauliflower gives it a nice body. And then with the coconut ginger sauce. It just adds such a beautiful flavor. So I hope that inspires you.